today with a unboxing for something really different rather than my usual stuff. And today is the unboxing of my NCT Lightstick. You guys, I'm so excited. I pre-ordered this like either I think the beginning of April or the last week of March. I pre-ordered this, so hoping that it would make it here in time for the concert, and it did. Thankfully, when they said it would be shipping out on the 15th of April, I actually got mine shipped out 2 days after the 15th, and it was here in 2 days. So I'm really happy about that. I was really concerned about the timing and stuff, so I'm just happy it got here on time. But yeah, the shipping was like $12, but I used a coupon code and it was like $10 off, and the Lightstick was $50 itself, but the code was $40, and then with shipping it brought it back up to $50, but it was only $52, which I'm fine with because that was going to be the price of the Lightstick by itself with no shipping before the coupon. So if that coupon still works, I will put it down below. It just says NCT at the top. So let's open this up. I've never done one of these videos, you guys, so sorry if it's just not explaining or showing enough. This is my first time doing one of these. This is my first Lightstick, so yeah, forgive that, but I'm showing you guys the best I can. Look at that! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really am going to be matching my Lightstick. Well, more like the container it came in, because my outfit is this green and black. Cause I don't like wearing white. It never turns out good. So yeah, this is it. And it just says NCT, and it has these little things at the top. I don't know if these are supposed to be little ears or what, but when you stand it up, I don't know if you guys will actually be able to tell, but that's the T. So it comes with a rubber band, which I guess it'll be kind of secure with that. I was so trying to get a band off of Etsy that had like my body's name on it, and they were sold out, and I was so sad. So I just had to do the next best thing and get the sticker. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you guys is my decal sticker I got from K-Bop Decals. I'll have their name down below in the description box. And it comes with this note on the inside, and then obviously your receipt. And my decal cost just $2, and I had no shipping on it. And it comes with instructions on how to put the note, well, the sticker on it. And this is the sticker. I got mine in holographic. You guys see I put the sticker on, and I press it down with the card to adhere it to the light stick, and it says for best results wait 24 hours before moving to the next step, which will be taking off the transparent tape, so it'll just be the letters left. So I guess I'll come back to you guys later just so you guys can see the final product at the end, and that will be the end of this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna have more stuff relating to my whole NCT experience, so keep looking for that, and I might have more of my K-pop related stuff coming on this channel, so just as a warning to everybody. So yeah, it is late, you guys. I will leave in the clip at the end of what this looks like when it sets, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
About it, don't look like a lift. Hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe. Big dip on top of the roof. Flexing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating halal, driving the lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my phones like